I am generate this image using ChatGPT. Now open the image in Photoshop. Now remove the text from here. Select rectangular marquee tool and make selection of texts. Click on Select Panel and Color Range. Now click on Text and press OK. Again click on Select Panel, Modify and Expand. Expand by 5 pixels and press OK. Right-click and click on Fill. Select Content Aware and press OK. Deselect the selection. Now crop the object, select Object Selection tool. Make selection of the object. Now press Ctrl+J to create duplicate. Now hold down Ctrl and click on Thumbnail. Click on Select Panel, Modify and Expand. Expand by 6 and press OK. Select any selection tool, right-click and click on Fill. Deselect the selection. Unhide the object layer and select Background. Now click on Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Blur radius around 25 pixels and press Enter. Select Subject Layer, right-click and click on Convert to Smart Object. Select Background Layer and create New Layer. Select Eyedropper tool and pick darker color. Select Brush tool and follow the process. Decrease brush opacity around 25%. Keep layer opacity around 70%. Create new layer. Pick light green color. Select Brush tool and follow the process. Keep layer opacity around 70%. Select Subject Layer. Click on Filter panel, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Blur radius around 1.2 pixels and press OK. Click on Blur Mask, select Brush tool and follow the process. Create new layer. Pick yellow color. Pick yellow color. Change blend mode normal to lighten. Now adjust the light effect. Keep light opacity around 70%. Now create new layer. Select Brush tool and follow the process. Change blend mode normal to screen. Keep opacity around 30%. Select Horizontal Type tool and type here. I'm using Montserrat bold font for title. Title size around 60 point. Decrease leading. Font style regular. Font size 30 point. Hold down Alt and drag to create duplicate. Double-click on the text and change color. Change leading of the text. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E. Right-click and click on Convert to Smart Object. Click on Filter panel and click on Camera Raw Filter. Now click on Light and follow the process. Now click on Effect and follow the process. This is the final result. You can create this and share with me. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.